Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. Welcome to another episode of how to do things. Yiddy. First of all, I want to say thank you to the people that subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And the new subscribers, the old subscribers, thank you. Where would I be without y'all? On the other hand, if you're looking for a specific vehicle, go to my channel, go to my videos. In the search box on top of the screen, you can type the vehicle you're looking for, press enter, and the list of all the vehicles related to that name is going to pop up. Alright, and just pick the one you're looking for right there, more or less. Okay, let's get into this oil life reset in this 2017 Q50 Infiniti. I have the video. Also, I have the video of how to do the oil life reset in a QX50 Infiniti, which is way different than this. Alright, this is easy though. Right now, this is a 2.0 turbo 2017 Infiniti Q50. I also put 7 quarts of 0W30. 0W30. Alright. So now I'm gonna do the oil change. Oil life reset. I'm sorry. Alright, let's get it. You go to settings. Go to meter, go maintenance, reset distance. And that's how you reset the oil life and filter in this 2017 Infiniti Q50. It's not QX50, it's Q50. Okay? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Stu Burum A.